Hey there, my name is Angel. I'm the CEO and co-founder of 2 Gals and a Broom in North Kansas City, Missouri. And since the first of the year, we switched over to using speed cleaning products. Two of our favorites are the Scum Bum and the Stain Gobbler. We do a lot of initial deep cleans in our company, and wow, those products are excellent. I tried them both at home, and I have an older shower with glass doors, and they're kind of that variegated styles. The soap scum over the years, prior to me having the house even, had built up on the doors. And I was able to spray that Scum Bum on there and just let it soak and watch it just almost melt away the soap scum. Obviously, there's still just a little bit of scrubbing, but it's not near what it used to be with other products. And, about 4 years ago, when we joined the CBF community, we switched over to speed cleaning training with our technicians. And that has been an absolute game changer. We now have probably a more thorough method than what we had for years. Years we worked without the speed cleaning method. But now we have a system. It's top to bottom, left to right. It's easy to teach. And by using those products, it helps us because we teach that speed cleaning method through the CBF model. And they're already using the products. So that makes it a lot easier for all of our certifications, quizzes, and things like that we put our technicians through to make sure that they're properly trained before we put them into the field. So speed cleaning for us has been excellent. The shipping is fast, and now it's free, so that part is great. And, we get it within a couple of days, and it's just been a great asset to our company. And as far as the speed cleaning method and training, certifying our technicians, working efficiently and effectively saves a lot of time and money. And, technicians shaving 10, 15 minutes off of each house when you have, over 1,000 jobs a month, that is a lot of time saved. So I just wanted to hop on here today and just share a little bit about that. We're super excited to be utilizing the things that speed cleaning has to offer, and I just want to share that with you guys. So have a great day.